That's John Webb down there, nodding his head on the finish line, on the start line, should I say. Now, this is normally that time where I say, John Webb, and I get whoops from, yeah, there we go, baby.
John Webb in the 4468 out of Concord, California. Hammerheads is his team name, with Fish Mount Fab 2C IFS chassis LS7 stereo blaring. That's what I'm saying here.
Anybody who doesn't know John Webb, John Webb is a legend out here at King of the Hammers. All those years ago, we first saw John Webb on camera when Randy Slauson made that famous pass before he went on to win his first clean title. Now, it looks like he has a row of lights across the front of his car, but they're not lights, baby. Those are speakers, and he brings the party to Hammertown. So this is John Webb off the line now. Now, it's a really interesting story as well. John Webb, unfortunately, had a fire in this car, okay, before the start of this race. So everyone's been getting together, trying to get his job. Oh no, that's Tim Hooper stopped.
Oh no, and Tim Hooper was having such a great time. Look, he has a 424 where he's sitting at.
Right now, can he get this restarted? Because he's in one of the sand washes. I have no doubt that John Webb will be able to get around him, but he'll have to work hard. That sand is really super soft in that area. So John Webb is out there on track right now. He'll be blasting out his favourite playlists.
Yeah, his first race was with us at the Stampede in 2010.
I think it was 2013. That infamous shot of him making his way up through Elvis. We are back on camera right now, and in the bottom right of our screen it is John Webb pushing hard towards the finish. Also in the top left there, it is Tim Hooper. into resolution.
And it's good to see that Tim Hooper is running still. I mean, he did stop, so hopefully he's not having computer issues as well.
Yeah, these cars are... Now, this is a very interesting line from John Webb. I didn't expect him to take that. I expect him to go straight off the top. Makes his way down into resolution.
John Webb making his way down resolution. John Webb took the bypass line instead of going down back door. Have to see if we do have Hunter Sparrow out of the way down there. Wasn't actually blocking, but there is two different lines you can take down back door. So that could be an option that John Webb just took, was to completely bypass it so it doesn't slow him down.
John Webb's usually around about sort of mid-table. But once he gets out on those trials, he has this amazing sense. He has this amazing way of pushing forward, and always that tends to be a strong finisher. No stranger to being in the top 10 is John Webb. He's making his way around through turn 19. Was John Webb just crossing the line now. We're just waiting for a time for John Webb. John Webb goes into 8th position with an 8:51, so a solid run there from John Webb.